Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona, the first of the in-house calibers. This is a P-Series circa year 2000, 116520 in 904L stainless steel. The watch features a 40mm case. You can see in profile, 12.3 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip. 46.3 millimeters. If we had the solid end link bracelet, I measured 50.7 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll throw this watch on my wrist. We'll withdraw my glove for a moment so you can actually see my wrist. And it wears beautifully. Easy to wear. My wrist is 16 centimeters, and I could easily wear this on a smaller wrist. I'd say it would wear on a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference, but I've seen it on even smaller wrists when women have worn them, and they've worn them well. So as long as your wrist is flat across the top, I say go for it. It is a very flat watch, and it will slide easily under a tight sleeve or a formal cuff. Getting a look at the watch, all of it 904L steel. Rolex, of course, making its own cases and bracelets. 904L steel is a high nickel content steel that if exposed to seawater, sweat, and yes, certain industrial acids, it will not corrode. 316L steel will corrode eventually if it's not rinsed. This doesn't even need to be rinsed. Oyster style bracelet with a conforming end link to make it cleanly to the case. It tapers down towards the clasp. You can see outer face is polished, center links polished, flanking links in satin, removable links fixed by screws, and you can see fixed by screws on both sides. Now this has a clasp code that's DT, suggesting that the watch was probably assembled and shipped around 2002, and that does reflect the date of sale of the watch. So remember, 2001 into 2002 was a global recession, and so watches sold relatively slowly, and this watch appears to have been mated with its bracelet 2 years after the watch itself was manufactured. This is the pre-2009 clasp design. You can see the inner closure is a snap-shut friction fit, and then we have the clamshell lock right there. Pop this open one more time. And then you can see inside we have 3 divots, and you can dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point of the bracelet and the clasp to fine-tune the fit. Even though this is the older clasp design, you still get the 5mm snap-in, snap-out, easy link tool-free adjustment, so make no mistake, still included. Trip lock crown in steel, oyster case, 100-meter water resistance. You know it's a trip lock crown in steel because it has 3 dots, all symmetrical screw-down crowns as well. We have a lovely fluid case. This is not the super case of the sports watches. This is more like a Yachtmaster, Datejust, or Day-Date. It's almost a dress watch form factor and very elegant. We've got a dial with a tachymetric scale bezel surrounding it that can be used in conjunction with the chronograph seconds hand to gauge the speed of an object such as a race car over a kilometer. That's the purpose of that. No shortage of luminescence here. We're into the era of superluminova, and you can see the watch features a superluminova dial. Black lacquer with contrasting registers. You can see the registers have begun to tint just a little bit as these do. Not specifically an oxidation or tarnish pattern. They've just started to turn a little bit. And that's sort of a micro texture change on the registers that begins to give them a little bit of a bronze hue after time. The crown, the indices, and the hands are white gold, so they will never actually change color in any way. And then you can see that little red Daytona down at the base. Now inside the case, we have Rolex caliber 4130. This was the beginning of the in-house caliber Daytonas. It's an automatic winder with a ball-bearing rotor, which was a first for Rolex automatic movements. 72-hour power reserve, 4 Hz beat rate, 44 joules. The movement is adjusted in 5 positions and certified as a COSC Swiss chronometer. The watch features a stop seconds function, so if you pull the crown out, it will halt the movement, hack it, and allow you to set precisely to a reference time. So you can do that. The chronograph mechanism, an upgrade over the previous El Primero-based caliber 4030. You still have a column wheel for crisp function cycling, but now you have a vertical clutch, so there's no extraneous movement to the seconds hand when you start up the chronograph. And if you like to keep your chrono running full-time, you can do that without any additional wear and tear. That's one of the advantages of a vertical clutch. The movement features a full balance bridge and a free-sprung balance for shock resistance and a Breguet overcoil hairspring so that they will keep consistent time in basically any position on your wrist during the day or you dress or at night. And the movement is quite compact, fitting in this 12.3mm case. 72-hour power reserve, big step up from the 50 hours of the old El Primero. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.